This is another video of the Sesame Street train kiddie ride because the other one wasn't really that good.
Please press the start button.
I'm sorry if the camera is a bit shaky.
S is for steam. A is for alphabet. Can you say it with Big Bird?
A, B, C,
Yeah, no, my
D, E, F,
ABCs.
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
B is for Big Bird.
Hi everybody, it's me, Big Bird.
I know this button already.
C is for choo-choo, the sound of this train.
That's Gordon's whistle.
1, whistle. 2, ticket.
Tickets please.
Tickets, please.
3,
Bells.
bell. C is for choo-choo, the sound of this train.
Really weird why it's really weird why this ride has Gordon's whistle from Thomas and Friends.
S is for steam. C is have another ride soon.
And that was the Sesame Street Big Bird train kiddie ride by Fun2learn.